How to call an external API from Lovable. Now, in order to do this, what we can do is we first need to head over to lovable.dev and then sign into your account. From in there, just choose in here the project that you wish to actually connect an external API with. For example, let's do this with our market mosaic. Now, from in there, they should be able to open this particular project. And into this, we just need to head over and then connect this particular project to Supabase. To do that, click on this Supabase icon that you can see right here. Then click on this Connect Supabase. And then after that, this will open this. Make sure to connect this particular project with Supabase by clicking on this icon that we can see right here. So here is our project. So into this part, you can just use this left sidebar right here in order to see this. You can go over right here to the API docs. And then from in there, you can see the documentations for the actual API that you will have. So you can see in here the initialization as well as other options like introduction, authentication, and the likes. For example, right here you can scroll down and you can see the more resources for the API guides that can actually help you to call external API. Alternatively, you can also utilize these options right here that we can see, like for example, in here under the storage as well as authentication in order to add those external API from Lovable. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.